So in today's video, I want to teach you how to wire your first LED setup for your embedded system class. Now this is my yellow LED and my Arduino Nano board. So all I have to do is get my breadboard and plug it in. Plug a breadboard on it. The long side is positive and the short side is negative. And then you plug it on your board, like so. Get your jumper wires, just 2 cables. Connect this ground and then the positive side. The positive side of the LED goes to GPIO pin 2. And the ground goes to ground on the Arduino Nano. Then you get your cable and plug it to your computer. And now you can see in the code we have void setup, we have pin mode. Pin mode defines what pin number your GPIO pin is for your Arduino Nano. So now we're defining it as 2 and it's an output. Then you also have data write high, data write low. From here on you move to tools and you scroll down to boards. And now you look for Arduino Nano, take it. And then we'll have to check for our ports. Go to ports, and you can see it's COM5. So with this setup, you can find Arduino Nano there in bold letters. And now you can upload. Compiling. Now uploaded. Now plug in power. And now you can see that our LED is coming on. So if you notice, this is a yellow bulb and our output is reddish. It means that our LED is going to burn out if we do not have some form of resistance, because we are giving it directly 5 volts and this LED does not use 5 volts, so we need a resistor. And now this is the pack of resistor. Suitable resistor color or suitable resistor for this is the 220 ohms resistor, and we have a lot of it here. So take that, and then you plug it in the terminal in between the GPIO pin 2 and the positive side of the LED. You plug it like so. One terminal goes to the positive side of the LED, and then you have an open space where we have to connect our jumper wire to, like so. And now if you turn it on, our LED is going to be safe. It's not going to burn out because the resistor is there to limit the amount of current going to the LED. Now you can see it is lighting perfectly yellow or orange, as the case may be. Now let's check another LED, the red LEDs. Now the red LED have a unique characteristic. They do not burn up easily, so we can freely do this without a resistor. But just to be safe, we're going to add in the resistor, and then we can also try the green LED. And you would notice the difference after plugging the green LED with the resistor and without the resistor. Now with the resistor, we have this true green color. Now let's remove the resistor to see how it's going to look like. And we'll plug it directly. Now you notice the difference with the green, it goes all the way to yellow. That's to tell you that our LED is almost burning.